Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Amazon Photos account. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open your preferred web browser and search for Amazon Photos on the search bar. And click on the first link. Here, click on Sign into Web. In this page, you can use your Amazon account credentials to log into Amazon Photos. So, simply enter your Amazon account email and password. After you enter your email and password, simply click on Sign In button. And as you can see, I've successfully signed into my Amazon Photos account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.